In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search by author. If you're collaborating in OneNote for desktop on Windows, there's a quick way to see exactly who contributed what without digging through every page manually. This is especially helpful when you're reviewing edits after a meeting, tracking student submissions, or just keeping a shared notebook tidy. First, make sure you're using OneNote for desktop on Windows, sometimes called OneNote for Microsoft 365 or OneNote 2016. The feature we're using lives in the desktop version, not the OneNote for Windows app or the web version. Open the notebook you want to review so you're looking at the sections and pages where collaboration has been happening. At the top of the OneNote window, look for the History tab on the ribbon, and this is the home for collaboration and tracking tools in OneNote. On that History tab, select Find by Author. As soon as you click it, OneNote opens a pane that usually appears on the right side of your screen. This pane lists contributors who have made edits in the area you're currently viewing. You'll see names grouped so you can quickly get a sense of who has been active. Click a name in that list, and OneNote filters your notebook view to surface only the edits and contributions made by that person. This helps you zero in on their changes across pages without losing your place or context. It's a focused way to review one person's input, whether you're checking formatting tweaks, added notes, or complete page updates. The filtering is designed to be intuitive. If you're in a specific section when you start, OneNote focuses on that section. If you're at the notebook level, it considers a broader scope. Either way, the Find by Author pane gives you a concise way to navigate contributions, and the page content highlights make it easy to spot what was added or modified. A few quick tips to get the most from this. Make sure your notebook is fully synced so recent edits from collaborators appear in the list. If you don't see the History tab, confirm you're in the desktop app. And if your ribbon looks condensed, expand it to reveal all options so the History tab and Find by Author button are easy to access. That's all there is to it. With the History tab and Find by Author, you can confidently review team contributions and keep your OneNote content organized and accountable.